Hi all, it's Matt from Invexa Trade. We are tonight looking at Apple on the hourly 4 chart. It's currently Sunday 5th of July, just after 7:30 in the evening. Just having a look at a very basic chart, just using tradingview.com. We normally like MetaTrader 4, but this is just a nice clear chart for you all to see where we're at with Apple. We've been monitoring this chart for a little while now, and it's been working really well. You can see clearly a uptrend, up channel, moving average, moving up. We got 200 on this chart, it's highlighted in green. What we can see is a couple of noticeable things. Obviously down here, this chart we had what you could call a undershoot. And then obviously we're monitoring this move, see whether this is a false breakout or an overshoot, which is the same distance of the undershoot on here. It's a couple of interesting things. If you're into your early waves, you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. We can see the Autumn Oscillator getting weaker in this final move up. Obviously, RSI is also getting weaker. So we don't like to be, whilst we're buyers in this market, buyers of Apple, these levels is not where we're buying. And we've been taking some profits off the table. The other noticeable thing that I really want to draw your attention to, because the moving averages are key, and whilst this is not a sell signal as yet, we want to see that generally, always price comes back to the mean price at some point. We've got some variances, what led to the drop off there. Let me just see if I can make this chart slightly clearer for you to see. Hopefully you can see that. This level, I'll just point out, at this point we got 15% away from the moving average 200, and then obviously we know what happened, big sell. At this point, we're 25% away from it, and then look what's happened. You had a huge run. Lots of people made lots of money. Obviously, if you were shorting, then you would have lost a lot of money. But clearly, the trend was up, so it was all about buying the dip and riding it high. So where are we right now? We are currently 29% above. Okay, so a couple of warnings for us when the indicators are getting weaker. The price is still going up. And we're this far away from the moving average. You've kind of got an overshoot which matches the undershoot. We've got obviously first sell-off, bang. Is that a double top? Time will tell. But really, if you want to buy it, do you want to be buying at these levels, or are you looking for some kind of pullback? I know we're looking for a pullback to see whether we can get down to at least these levels, which is substantially lower than where we are at the moment. And I know that there's a lot of unlimited money coming in from the Fed. But even so, just from a technical perspective, this is a dangerous, not a sell signal. It doesn't mean it's a sell signal, but it's where you can imagine you buying at the top here. There is clearly better positions to be buying at. When price moves way apart from the moving average, price is going to come back to it. At some point, price will come back. So it's about patience. So you want some patience, wait for the dip, and then if you're looking to go long, then buy again. At these levels, are we looking to buy? No, not at these levels. So just be aware from a technical point of view of where we're at. This is not advice. This is just to analyze what is happening in the charts and in the technicals. So I hope that helps you. Good luck with the trading week to come.